This is all the flowers beautification of Untermeyer Park. This is small. This water trail goes all the way to other side. Very sunny today. It's a beautiful colors. The both side is a lot of flowers. There is these plantations part of the other side is a highway, actually the road, not highway but road, two-way. It's a 35 minutes drive from New York City, depend where person going to departure and how traffic is. If traffic is heavy, then could be 1 hour or so. If traffic is normal, it's a 35 minutes to 45 minutes. If person is coming from all the way from downtown New York City, then could be more than an hour. This water fountain and other is a beautiful setting. These are all plantation right top of water.